Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over how to make crates in Minecraft. There's going to be two different types, one without animations, one with. I'll show you that. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so this right here is the crate system. Let's say I have an advanced crate. This is for an example. You can name these whatever you want and whatever item. So I put the basic crate key in and it'll give me cobblestone, right? Simple. But if you want an animation like this and that noise at the end, I'll show you that way too. It's very easy. I'll show you. It is randomized, and I'll show you the rewards I put inside, just as an example. Cobblestone, lapis, dirt, more cobblestone. There are diamonds in it, just these were examples like dirt, cobblestone, lapis, and diamonds. Alright, that was just the example. I'll show you how I made it right now. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is establish where you want crates to be open. So like right here, I have my chest right here. Place it, this is where I'm going to have my crates. Put the key in the middle of the chest, and it'll open the crate. Over here is I'll go over the basic first, just because the animation is just an added on part to this. It's over here. I'll show you that in a minute though. So the first thing you're going to want to do is grab a repeating command block. You're going to want these coordinates of this chest. So I stand on top of it because it's not a full block. Those are the exact chords. -32, 4, 81. So I'll go to this repeating command block and I'll put in test for blocks. Squiggly, squiggly, 1, squiggly, 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 1, squiggly, -32, 4, 81. That will test for this chest with this item inside at those coordinates over there. And then if it's found, what you will say, well, it will say it's found. You go into here and you do execute at R, type equals armor stand, name equals basic. This is, you can name these whatever you want, this is how it randomizes what chest gets picked, like dirt, cobblestone, lapis, or redstone. Okay. And so that's why it says name equals basic. Squiggly, 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 you always want this after an execute command. Set block, squiggly, squiggly, -2, squiggly, redstone block. That will, if you watch the execute command, you'll understand why this works. But that will basically choose any random one of these, because their name is basic, and it'll set redstone block 2 blocks below them, which will set off these. These are needs redstone, needs redstone. This will pretty much clone squiggly, squiggly, 1, squiggly, 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 1, squiggly. So this will do it so it clones the block above it to -32, 4, 81, which is right here. And okay, and then right here you make this needs redstone. I'm going to take delay of 20 just so it has time to remove the redstone block and it has time to make the redstone block activate this. You want to do set block squiggly, squiggly, 1, squiggly, air. That's pretty much so it sets it to air so it can reset and it won't break. So you're going to want it to look exactly like this. I'll just do this as an example. So just give the crazy armor stand, chest, and you want command block, so something similar to this. Have this up here, so you want 3 crates. We'll have that here, that here, that here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So same commands as here, but it should look exactly like this with a name of your choice. You want these to all have the same name. I'll delete these. Alright. So I'll go and show you again how it works. You take the basic crate key, put it in the chest, test for block command will find it, and it will give you a random reward. So that's the basic one. And now I will show you how to do the animation. So the animation, it's going to be the same as these commands. Or no, it's going to be the same as these commands that test for the basic crate key. So you can copy those, put them into these. It's going to be the same exact way. Other than this one is going to have a slight change. And then you're going to want a chest with advanced crate key or a different crate key of your choice. Just like this. Put it in there, it'll test for it. It will say something along the lines of block found. And then you want a set block with coordinates and a redstone block. So those coordinates are right over here. It sets a block to here, which will activate the animation, which I'll show you. So it will set a block right there, which the coordinates are -23, 481. These are -23, 481 redstone block. So it'll set redstone block here. This one pretty much it's the same as the ones in the crates. It gets rid of the redstone block on a tick delay of 20. And then you want to repeat it, and you can set delay to each of your animations just by adding tick delays. And here, before I show you that, I'll show you this. So, want to have a clone command, squiggly squiggly 1, squiggly 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 1, squiggly, -32, 481. So that is the same command as over here, so you could pretty much just copy this and put it for each one of these right here, so it'd be set up along the lines of this, 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 that, that, with the chest. It should look something pretty much like this. Alright. So you're gonna want that. The same thing with a repeater. These are all gonna have the same commands other than these last two. Now, this is the animation part. It's gonna go in this same exact order you put it in. So it's gonna clone this. It's gonna have this animation. Everything in this chest is gonna get cloned there. And it's gonna happen again with these. So every time you want a different animation, put the chest on top of this. And you can have as many of these as you want. I recommend it to be short so it doesn't get boring for players. So this is pretty much just like this. And then the final one with the same clone command, except it's facing this way into these chain command blocks. So these will get set off after it. It'll do execute at R, type equals armor stand, name equals advanced, set with 3 squigglies, set block, net 1, or not 1, squiggly, squiggly, -2, squiggly, redstone block. So see how this says name equals advanced, and this one says basic. That's for a different crate. This one is for a whole new crate. These ones say advanced. And it'll set, with the execute command, it will set a redstone block 2 blocks below them. And this last command, this pretty much just plays the sound. I'll show you a video on how to use these DXs, DYs. I'll just show you it right now, actually. I'll do a simple explanation. So you execute at P, x equals -34, 480. So that is -34, which is right here. And the DX, DY, DZ will pretty much select this green area. So DX equals 4, DY equals 3, DZ equals 3. I'll show you that in a minute. Squiggly, 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 play sound, random.level up at S. So if you do .play sound or /play sound, random.level up at S, that'll play the level up sound. So the DX, DY, DZ, or no, actually before I do that, I'll explain this in a minute. So it'll place a redstone block here. It'll have this set block, squiggly squiggly 1, squiggly air. That's just to get rid of the redstone block, always on 20 tick delay. Then this one, it's the same exact command as over here. You can literally copy this. It's clone squiggly squiggly 1, squiggly 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 1, squiggly, -32, 481. Those chords will be wherever your crate is, but this is if you want a universal crate, you can use this for anything. Like this crate works for any crate key, but if you want different ones, you're going to want to change these coordinates right here. Same with over here and the coordinates for the test for blocks. If you want two different ones, you don't want it to be the same as this. So it will set a redstone block 2 blocks beneath. It'll have this right here, and then it will have a clone command, and above that you want a chest with your reward, like dirt, cobblestone, lapis, diamond, and you want to make sure that these names are different from these ones, or else it will not work. And okay, I'll show you the DXDZ right now. Okay, so for the DXDZ, you want to grab your coordinates right here. So you put those into your command block with the X, Y, Z equals, and so the DX, you see right, I'll show you with my mouse. So right here, that's your coordinates. If you want to enable them, you do /game rule show coordinates true. Then it'll make it so it shows your coordinates. So for the DX to select this green area, you're gonna want to go over by 4. So over by 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. My X coordinate went up. It went closer to 0 because it's a negative, so it means it went up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That means it will select from there and these 4 blocks. And then you go from here, and for the Z coordinate, you go 1, 2, 3. So that pretty much selects it. From here to here, it's only these green blocks, so you haven't set a Y value, so it won't work yet. So then for the Y value, I chose 3. So you do 1, 2. I don't know why these blocks are here. 3. So that will choose from here, or from down there up to here, all this area in here. Don't mind this block. This block's annoying. It'll choose all this area. If you're outside the area, it will not play that sound. And that is in here. So yeah, let's try this one last time just to show you it works, and then I'll end this video here. Advanced crate key, just destroy these. Does the animation, you get lapis. You do it again, and you get diamond. Let's just do this, we'll get cobblestone. But yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. I hope you liked it. Hope this helped you out in any way. Be sure to watch the next video. It's gonna be a good video. I've been getting a lot of requests. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.